Are you dreaming of a tech career abroad? Then Germany could be your perfect destination. In this guide, we will explore the top tech jobs in Germany, the skills you need, and how you can launch your career in one of Europe's most innovative countries. So why Germany? Germany isn't just famous for cars and beer, it's also a tech powerhouse. With world-class companies, cutting-edge research institutions, and a booming startup scene, the demand for skilled tech professionals has never been higher. Whether you specialize in software development, artificial intelligence, or cybersecurity, there's a place for you here. In-demand tech jobs. Here's a quick rundown of the most in-demand roles. Number 1, software developers and engineers. Skills like Java, Python, and C++ are essential, and industries like IT, automotive, and e-commerce are hiring. Data scientist and analyst. Proficiency in Python, SQL, and machine learning is key. Opportunities are huge in finance, healthcare, and logistics. AI and machine learning specialist. Specialist master tools like TensorFlow and PyTorch to work in industries such as autonomous vehicles and healthcare. Cybersecurity experts. With rising cyber threats, skills in network security and ethical hacking are in high demand. Cloud engineers, platforms like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud dominate the field. DevOps engineers' expertise in tools like Docker and Kubernetes is shaping the future of software development. Blockchain developers focus on cryptography, smart contracts to thrive in decentralized tech. Salaries and hotspots. Germany offers competitive salaries, like entry-level roles start at Euros 50,000 to 70,000 euros annually, and mid-level positions range from 70 to 1 lakh euros. Senior roles often exceed 1 lakh annually, and here are the top cities to consider. Berlin, the startup capital. Munich, known for AI and automotive giants. Frankfurt, a fintech hub. Hamburg, with its focus on media and e-commerce. Stuttgart, famous for engineering and automotive innovation. Skills to succeed. To land your dream job, here's what you need to do. Stay updated with the latest tools and frameworks. While many companies operate in English, learning German can be a game changer. Build your network through meetups, conferences, and LinkedIn groups. Get certifications in cloud computing, AI, or cybersecurity to stand out. Visa options. Germany offers several pathways like the EU Blue Card for highly skilled professionals, the Opportunity Card, a new point-based system, and the Job Seeker Visa, which allows you to explore job opportunities for up to 6 months. Need help? If navigating this feels overwhelming, don't worry. Global Mobility Services can assist you to build your resume, LinkedIn optimization, and even visa applications. Well, for a free consultation, fill out the form in the description of the comments below. Germany is bursting with opportunities for tech professionals. With the right skills and preparation, you can build a rewarding career in dynamic country. Well, if you found this helpful, share it with someone exploring career opportunities abroad. And remember, your dreams are within your reach. I'll see you in the next video.